In a cluttered studio, Jake, an American YouTuber, stares despondently at his screen. AI software, touted as his savior, often misunderstood his creative direction. Frustrated, he turns to you, his faceless family, for help. What's up, faceless family? Welcome to Debt Busters. Do you know anyone who can relate to Jake's story? Watch this video if you've ever wondered how to become a pro at making videos using AI or artificial intelligence. We've got the answer. I've seen some videos like this that recommend you use trash, free text-to-speech, and just get something out there. This video is about making good, professional looking and sounding videos that you can be proud of. Let's get to it. Making a professional quality video with AI isn't as complex as it might sound. There are 5 things you want to nail. Let's break it down. Number 1, idea generation. Like any video, start with a concept. You can even use AI to analyze trends and suggest topics based on popular demand. Number 2, script writing. AI tools like ChatGPT can draft scripts. I know a lot of you underestimate this part. The script is the backbone of your video. Just give it a topic and tone, and it'll create something for you. You can then tweak as required. Number 3, text to video visuals. Use AI software to create videos. Input your topic and let the AI design relevant clips. Stick around and we'll go over the best software for this. Number 4, voiceover. No need for a microphone. Text-to-speech AI can transform your script into lifelike voiceovers in various accents and tones. Number 5, thumbnail and SEO. AI can generate catchy thumbnails and recommend SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags. There are also a few tips you want to bear in mind. Stay updated. AI tools evolve rapidly. Stay current on updates to maximize efficiency. Human touch. Remember, AI aids creation, but doesn't replace the human touch. Your unique perspective makes your content special. Experiment. Not every AI tool will be right for you. Try different ones until you find a match. Idea generation. Let's go deeper into that first point, idea generation. It's more than just pulling an idea out of thin air. With technology like VidIQ, you've got some cool shortcuts. You can use the link in my description to download VidIQ's Chrome extension for free. Let me break it down for you. Spotting hot topics. VidIQ can skim places like YouTube for you and tell you what's trending right now. If you can catch on to a trend early, you're golden. Understanding your crowd. YouTube Studio's analytics got the ability to dissect your channel. It's like having an X-ray into your viewers' minds. You can find out which videos they loved and at which point they might have clicked away. Super handy to fine-tune your next move. Let me know if I should make a video explaining that more thoroughly. Eye on the competition. Look, there's no harm in peeking at what other YouTubers are up to, especially those in your niche. VidIQ does that detective work, figuring out what's working for them. Gives you a bit of inspiration, you know? Brainstorming buddy. VidIQ will straight up pitch ideas to you based on your past videos and what's hot right now. It's like having a brainstorming session without the extra coffee. Script writing. All right, fellas, let's tackle the beast that is script writing. I know it's not the favorite part of content creation for many of you, but it's the backbone of your video. It's not just about putting words on a page, it's storytelling, guiding your viewer from point A to B. And yeah, AI has a part to play here too. Here's how. Starting point. Think of AI tools like ChatGPT as your writing assistant. Feeling stuck? Toss a topic or idea its way and watch it whip up a basic script. But that's just the beginning. Tuning the tone. Say you want your video to be humorous or maybe a bit dramatic, feed that vibe into ChatGPT and it can help adjust the language. It's like having a script writing chameleon. You can ask it to paraphrase your output like a comedian telling jokes in a nightclub or like a professor teaching a college lecture. The prompts are simple, but the change in tone is invaluable to your audience. Feedback on the fly. Some AI platforms like ScriptHop can review your script and offer suggestions. It might catch repetitive words or suggest snappier sentences. It's almost like having an editor reviewing your stuff in real time. Consistency check. Been doing a series? ChatGPT can help keep things consistent. It can remember the style or recurring points from your past scripts, ensuring that episode 10 feels in line with episode 1. Adapting to your voice. One of the coolest things? Over time, AI tools like Jasper can learn your unique style, how you phrase things. It's like training your pet, but it's a piece of software. Text-to-video visualizations. Let's talk about text-to-video magic. If you've ever thought, I wish I could turn this script into a video without lifting a camera, well, you're in for a treat. My favorite software to use for this is Pictory. I monetize this channel using Pictory, and the software has been great for me. You can try it for free, no credit card required, using my link in the description. but you really should consider subscribing if you really want to make AI videos like a pro, Jake. Use the code DEBTBUSTERS to get 30% off your subscription. The basics. So text-to-video tools, in essence, convert your written words into visuals. You feed in your script, and Pictory, like magic, creates matching visuals. It's like cooking with a microwave. Quick and straightforward. Choosing your style. Pictory lets you pick a style or theme. Want a sleek corporate vibe or more of a comic book feel? Just a few clicks and the AI is tailoring your video that way. Customization. While Pictory does a lot of the heavy lifting, you aren't stuck with what the AI spits out. Change the images, adjust the animations, make it yours. It's like customizing a car stock model's nice, but personal touches make it roar. Voiceovers. Don't want to record your voice? No problem. While these tools can even transform text into speech, I don't like using them for that. We'll get to my top voiceover recommendation in a second. Integration. Pictory even lets you integrate other media. Got a cool clip or image you want in there? Just drag and drop. Quick edits. Made a typo or want to tweak the script? Easy. Adjust the text and the video changes on the fly. No reshoots, no hours in an editing suite. These tools can give your content creation a turbo boost. Use them as a tool, a sidekick, but always make sure your personal touch is front and center. It's the difference between a fast food burger and a gourmet one. Both can be tasty, but one's got that extra oomph. Voiceover. I mentioned earlier that we'd get to talking about AI voice or text-to-speech for voiceovers. If you've ever thought, I wish my script could just talk for me, this is your golden ticket. What is it really? AI voice is a tech that turns your written words into spoken ones. Think of it like having a virtual narrator who's always ready to read your script out loud. Now I know this is where a lot of you want to cheap out and get free AI voice software. There are a few things YouTube viewers won't forgive, and bad audio is at the top of the list. That's why I recommend using 11 Labs. 11 Labs sounds so smooth, most people won't know they're listening to a text-to-speech voice. Hell, you've been listening to an 11 Labs AI voice this whole time. You can try 11 Labs for free using my link in the description. You can even get your first month for as little as $1. Pick your voice. Most AI voice tools offer a range of voices. Need a deep movie trailer kind of voice? Or maybe a cheery upbeat tone? Flick through the options and find the one that hits the mark for your video. Accent on point. Whether you're going for British elegance or an Aussie charm, these tools let you pick from a medley of accents, so your video can sound like it's from anywhere in the world. Pace yourself. You control the speed. If your script's got some drama, slow it down. For those energetic bits, crank up the pace. Emotion in motion. Some of the fancier TTS tools even let you add a touch of emotion. Want that line delivered with a hint of sadness or a splash of excitement? You've got it. Background noise? What's that? One big win with AI voice is crystal clear audio every time. No muffled sounds, no background noise, just clean, crisp voiceovers. Easy edits. If you spot a typo or want a line changed, just tweak the text. No need to re-record anything. It's like having a voice actor who never tires or messes up a line. Wow, AI has given you your video idea, script, video, and voiceover in nearly no time. You're just about done. All you need know is thumbnail and SEO. Let's talk about something that's just as crucial as your video content. Thumbnails and SEO. And guess what? AI's got your back here too. You can use a tool like Midjourney to create stunning images for your thumbnails. And VidIQ is always available to help out with search engine optimization or SEO. Let's break it down. Thumbnail magic. First impressions count, right? Your thumbnail's the handshake, the wink, the hey, click me. So some nifty AI tools can analyze your video and pick out the most attention-grabbing frames. It then adds some design flair to make them pop. Customization galore. While AI gives you a head start, it's not a straitjacket. Don't love the image it chose? Swap it out. Want to tweak the colors? Go for it. Think of it as a base coat of paint. You're free to add your graffiti on top. SEO, the unsung hero. You've made a killer video, but how do you make sure folks find it? That's where SEO, search engine optimization, steps in. It's the art of making your video discoverable, like a beacon in the vast sea of content. You can use VidIQ to effortlessly guide you through SEO. Keyword wizards. VidIQ can scour the internet, see what people are searching for, and suggest keywords for your video title, description, and tags. It's like having a mole inside Google, whispering sweet search terms in your ear. Competitor spying legally. VidIQ can peek at what similar channels, yeah, your rivals, are doing right. They'll show you the keywords they're using, their most viewed content, and more. Knowledge is power, guys. Constant learning. The cool thing about AI, it's always learning. Over time, it gets a better grip on what works for your channel. It tailors its suggestions based on what's clicked with your audience before. Analytics, deep dive. Beyond just keywords, VidIQ will dissect your video's performance, giving you insights on viewer retention, click-through rates, and more. It's like having a magnifying glass over your YouTube stats. Thanks for helping Jake figure out how to become an AI video pro. With your help, Jake was able to make incredible videos, crush his competition, and live out his dream life through the income he earned on YouTube. Make sure you hit that subscription button and turn on the notification bell. If you comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. There are some pretty interesting ways I've learned to make money with AI without breaking the bank. You really need to watch this video next if you want to do the same, because these two videos combined will dramatically increase your ability to make money on YouTube.